What's up, guys? I bet you've heard about smart contracts, but do you really know what they are? Well, get ready because I'm about to blow your mind with something so simple yet so revolutionary. We're talking about the coolest tech in crypto that's going to change everything. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be a smart contract genius. Okay, listen up. You're thirsty, you see a vending machine, you put in $1, press a button, and bam, out comes your soda. No cashier, no waiting, just instant results. That's basically what a smart contract is, but way cooler. It's like a super smart vending machine that lives on the blockchain. Here's the deal. Smart contracts are bits of code that automatically do stuff when certain things happen. It's like saying, if this happens, then do that. No humans needed. It's all automatic, which is insane when you think about it. Like, imagine if everything in life worked that smoothly. Mind blown yet? Because we're just getting started. Now, let's get into some crazy examples that'll make your head spin. First up, DeFi lending. You know how banks make you jump through hoops for a loan? Well, with apps like Aave, you just lock up some crypto, and boom! The smart contract lets you borrow money instantly. It's like having a bank in your pocket, but way faster and cooler. Holy cow, right? Next, check this out. NFTs. You see an awesome digital art piece, you buy it, and guess what? A smart contract makes sure it's yours right away. No paperwork, no waiting. It's like magic, but it's real. Guys, this is huge, like really huge. Smart contracts are basically kicking middlemen to the curb. No more waiting for lawyers to approve stuff or banks to process things. It's all instant, unstoppable, and totally fair. Imagine crowdfunding where the money only goes through if the goal is met. That's what smart contracts do. It's crazy. But here's the kicker. This is just the beginning. Smart contracts could revolutionize voting, insurance, real estate, you name it. It's like we're building a whole new internet, but this time, it's powered by trust and automation. Mind-blowing, right? The future is here, and it's running on smart contracts. I'm telling you, this is gonna change everything. Whoa! We just took your brain on a wild ride through the world of smart contracts. You've officially leveled up your crypto knowledge. Next time someone mentions smart contracts, you can blow their minds with what you know. Remember, it's not magic. It's code that's changing the world. Now go out there and be part of this insane crypto revolution. If you love this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what crazy smart contract idea you have.